Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing materials and making the first cuts so you can sew without stopping. Lay out waterproof outer fabric and absorbent inner. Once aligned, pin them together and mark seam lines. Cut 2 mirrored body pieces from your template, keeping a 1/2-inch seam allowance. This preserves fit. Make notches at center front and back so pieces match when sewn. If you haven't yet, measure the child's waist and rise now, because proper sizing prevents leaks and saves time later. Once the pieces are cut, assemble the layers and secure elastics to form a snug, leak-resistant pant. Stack outer, absorbent insert, and soft inner lining, then clip all around but leave a 2-3-inch opening for turning. Sew channels for waist and leg openings. Feed 1/4-inch elastic through each channel, stretching slightly as you sew so it sits comfortably when released. After trimming seams, attach snaps or Velcro at the hip. Make sure to reinforce these points so they withstand repeated. You finish by turning the pant right side out, closing the opening with an edge stitch, and trimming threads so nothing irritates skin. Put the pant on the child and observe fit. Make sure leg cuffs sit snug yet comfortable. For a functional test, pour 50 to 100 ml of water into the insert to simulate a wetting. Watch for pooling or side leaks. If you see leaks, tighten elastics about 10%, add another absorbent layer, or reinforce closures. These fixes solve most common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.